welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to practice and prepare for the 100 civics questions for the naturalization test. You can not only memorize the answers, you have to explain the words you use and the words they use in the questions. So we're going to look at that today and the pronunciation. This is our phonetic alphabet. We use it to correct your pronunciation. If you're not familiar with this, you can watch it in another video on our channel. Question number 1. What is the supreme law of the land? The supreme law of the land is the most important law. There are many laws, but one is the most important, the supreme law of the land. Pronunciation. S, sup, p, sup, supper, e, supreme, supreme, supreme. Repeat. Very good. What is the supreme law of the land? It is the Constitution. Pronunciation. K, ka, con, s, const, const, constant, constant, constitu, sh, constitution, 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 constitution. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What is the supreme law of the land?
The supreme law of the land is the Constitution.
Very good. And in this case, what is supreme?
It means the most important.
That's right. What is the supreme law of the land? Respond. And in this case, what does supreme mean? Respond. Very good. Question number 2. What does the Constitution do? The Constitution sets up the government. What does set up mean in this case? In this case, it means organize. The Constitution organizes the government. The Constitution sets up the government. Let's practice. What does the Constitution do?
The Constitution sets up the government.
In this case, what does set up mean?
It means organize.
Very good. What does the Constitution do? Respond. And what does set up mean? Respond. Very good. Question number 3. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. The first 3 words. What are these words? We the people. We the people. Let's practice question 3. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these 3 words?
We the people.
That's right. We the people. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these 3 words? Respond. That's right. Question 4. What is an amendment? What is an amendment? An amendment is a change to the Constitution. Pronunciation. Amen. 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 Amendment. 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 One amendment, an. What is an amendment? Amendment. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. Number 4. What is an amendment?
An amendment is a change.
A change. A change to what?
A change to the Constitution.
Ah, very good. What is an amendment? Respond. A change to what? Very good. Question number 5. What do we call the first 10 amendments? 1 amendment, 2 amendments, 10 amendments. The first 10. The Bill of Rights. Remember, the Bill of Rights. The first 10 amendments. Bill of Rights. What are rights? Rights are freedoms. For, free, freed, Frida, freedom, freedoms. So remember, the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the Constitution. What are rights? Rights are freedoms. Let's practice. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
We call them the Bill of Rights.
Rights. What are rights?
Rights are freedoms.
Very good. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? Respond. Rights. What are rights? Very good. Question number 6. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't need to know 5. You need to know 1. 1. Religion. Freedom of religion. Pronunciation. R. E. Re. O. Rel. I. Reli. J. Relig. A. Religia. Religion. Religion. Repeat. So religion is one right from the First Amendment. The freedom of religion. Let's practice. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment?
Freedom of religion.
That's right. And what is an amendment again?
An amendment is a change.
That's right. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Respond. And what is an amendment again? Respond. Very good. Question number 7. How many amendments does the Constitution have? The Constitution has 27 amendments or changes. So remember, when they make the question, does the Constitution have? You cannot say the Constitution have. You change the action because it's one, singular. The Constitution has. The Constitution has 27 amendments or changes. Let's practice. How many amendments does the Constitution have?
The Constitution has 27 amendments.
Are you sure?
Yep.
How many amendments does the Constitution have? Respond. Very good. Question number 8. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Answer. The Declaration of Independence said that the United States is free from Great Britain. Said. Pronunciation. Said. Said. So remember, it's not said, it's said. The Declaration of Independence said. Declaration of Independence. What is a declaration? A declaration is a formal announcement. When you say something, you declare. So a declaration is a formal announcement. Declaration. De, k, dec, decal, declar, a, declaray, declaration, a, declaration, 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 declaration. Repeat. Very good. What is independence? Independence is freedom from other countries. Independence. Ind, ind, indep, indep, independ, independ, independent, independent, Independent. Independence. Independence. Repeat. Now together. The Declaration of Independence. Repeat. Very good. Let's practice. What did the Declaration of Independence do?
The Declaration of Independence said that the United States is free from Great Britain.
That's right. Long answer. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Respond. Very good. And declaration. What is a declaration?
A declaration is a formal statement.
Very good. What is a declaration? Respond. Very good. And independence. What is independence?
Independence is freedom from other countries.
Very good. What is independence? Respond. That's right. Very good. Question number 9. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. But you only need 2. So, life and liberty. Easy. O, I, li, b, lib, liber, d, liberd, e, liberty, liberty. That's right. In America, we don't say liberty, we say liberty. Life and liberty are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence. And liberty, what is liberty? Liberty is freedom. Let's practice. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence?
Life and liberty.
That's right. And what is liberty?
Liberty is freedom.
Very good. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? Respond. And what is liberty? That's right. Very good. Question number 10. What is freedom of religion? Freedom of religion means you can practice any religion or not practice a religion. So remember, practice is the action for religion. I practice a religion. I don't practice any religion. And can. You can practice. Remember, can is a helper, no to. I cannot say you can to practice. You can practice any religion. Let's practice. What is freedom of religion?
You can practice any religion or not practice a religion.
Practice. What does practice mean?
Go to church.
Okay, next Sunday. What is freedom of religion? Respond. Okay, what is practice? Okay, I will. Thank you.